Hi friends, today we'll show you all the basic tools and materials you need to start making teddy bears at home. This is mohair. It's a classic and luxurious fabric used by professional bear makers. Here is fox fur, a great budget-friendly option that comes in many colors and textures. Here is viscose. It has a vintage look and is great for smaller bears. Cotton is a simple choice for beginners. It's easy to sew and comes in fun prints. Fleece is soft and cuddly. It's also great for making your first teddy bear. For stuffing, I use soft polyester fiber fill. It's light, squish, and keeps the bear huggable. These are joints, a disc, washer, and cotter pin. Stack them like this to attach movable limbs. You will need strong thread for sewing. Choose colors to match your fabric. For the eyes, use extra strong thread. Wax thread works even better because it doesn't slip. You will need a regular hand needle and a long one for inserting eyes. This one is about 4 inches. Adding weight gives a realistic feel. I use metal pellets inside the body. Glass eyes make your bear look real. They come in many sizes and colors. Safety eyes are great for beginners, easy to attach and safe for kids. You can also use black beads as simple eyes. Any scissors will work at first, but fabric scissors cut cleaner and last longer. A nail helps make holes for eyes and joints. Pliers help tighten the joints securely. Use pins to hold fabric while sewing. Embroidery floss is used for stitching the nose and mouth. That's everything you need to begin. Find the full step-by-step guide in the first comment below.